Hello, hello, hello. Good Sunday morning to you. This is Paula Lancaster, your friendly food allergy advocate and consultant. I am just getting back from early morning church service, and I was just thinking about whether or not to barbecue, and just wanted to drop on and give you a couple tips. Maybe if you're going to a barbecue or having one at home, if you or your child has food allergies, maybe making your own foil packets, taking some aluminum foil and putting in your favorite veggies, and if you can have certain meats, putting in meats and seasoning and sealing it up to throw it on the grill, or taking it with you and putting it on the grill at the cookout that you're attending, or taking some fruit, especially pineapple, if you can have that. It's really delicious on the grill. So, but to be safe, making sure you completely enclose it in foil so that it can be on the grill but also safe and not contaminated with other foods. If you need any food allergy support or some tips, go to paulalancaster.com, or you can follow us on Instagram at Allergy Support for You. And just have a great day and have a great summer, and happy 4th of July.